Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make banana cream pie with Wowbutter Streusel. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 package of yellow cake mix, 1 medium banana, 1 large egg at room temperature, 3 tablespoons of butter softened, 1 cup of milk. Then you're going to need additional banana slices for the garnish, so I just have another banana. Then you need 1 carton of frozen whipped topping, but you want that thawed. Then you need a third cup of wow butter. And then 1 package, which is 3.4 ounces of instant banana cream pudding mix. And then you need some kind of 9-inch pie plate, cake pan, whatever you want to use. So first we're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 and spray our pie pan with cooking spray. Okay, so next in a big bowl, you want to stir together 1 3/4 cup of your cake mix, your egg, and 1 tablespoon of butter. And you just want to mix that until it is combined. That is going to be our crust. Okay, so I mixed mine with an electric mixer, and then I just used a spatula in my hands to really incorporate all the dough together. And now you just want to lay it out on a floured surface. Oh, there's a little more dough. And we are going to roll it out so it can fit our pie plate. So you want to make sure that the edges come all the way to the end, because we are going to flute those with a fork. Okay, my crust is ready to go into the oven. It did not work out the way I wanted it to, though. It basically just stuck everywhere, so I just rolled it back into a ball, put it into my pie plate, and just spread it out with my hands. And so I'm not going to have the little fluted edges, but I'm fine with that. I think it looks really good. So we're going to prick several holes in the bottom, and then we're going to bake this for 12 to 15 minutes. So yours should look like that. I just used a fork to make all my little holes. So like I said, 12 to 15 minutes, or until it's golden brown. Alright, my pie crust just came out of the oven and it smells amazing. So I am going to let that cool on this cooling rack up here. And I am going to get to work on the actual banana cream pie part, the filling. So go ahead and get out your pudding, pour it into a bowl, and we're going to whisk that in with our milk for 2 minutes. Alright, that looks nice and combined. And I went ahead and moved my pie crust into the refrigerator just so it can cool even faster. So next I am going to add in 1 cup of my whipped topping and my bananas. I just sliced my bananas up, and you just want to fold that all in with a spatula. Alright, I added my banana and my whipped topping, and I am just going to go ahead and fold that all together with my spatula. Okay, my pie crust is not completely cooled, but we are going to refrigerate this for 3 hours when it's done, so I think it's okay. It's not hot to the touch, so I'm going to go ahead and add my filling to my pie crust. Alright, my filling is all added. I just kind of smoothed it out. Now we are going to top it with our remaining whipped topping. Alright, that looks great. So we are going to add that to the refrigerator for 3 hours. Alright, now we are going to get to work on our crumb topping. So you want to make sure your oven is still at 350. Mine isn't anymore, so I'm going to have to let it preheat. So we are going to take our leftover butter, our 1/3 cup of wow butter, and you could use the creamy or the crunchy, and the rest of our cake mix. And we're just going to mix that together until it forms little crumbs. Okay, my crumb topping is looking good. You just want to really use a fork and just mash it like this and until little crumbs form. So we are going to go ahead and put that on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper and just crumble it all around, and we're going to bake it for 14 to 18 minutes. Okay, my crumb topping is ready to go into the oven, like I said, 14 to 18 minutes at 350. I just basically took mine out of the bowl and crumbled it with my fingers until you get all this nice crumbles here. And we are going to bake that, like I said, 14 to 18 minutes, but we're going to stir it 1 time. So about 7 minutes, go ahead and stir it all up. So let's get that into the oven. Is out of the oven and it is cooled off. So next we just need to cut up the rest of our bananas, put them on top of our pie, and put the streusel crumble on top. Okay, my pie is out of the oven, so I'm just going to go ahead and put my little banana slices on top, and then we're going to put all of our crumble on top of that. Alright, I put all of my streusel on top. As you can see, there is a ton of it. But it looks so good, and I will not lie, I did have a little bite of the streusel. But if you just want to go like this and kind of pat it down so the topping stays on there, that would be great. So we'll cut into this and see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, I cut Taste Tester a nice big piece here. Looks yummy. So we'll see what he thinks. Okay, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.